So this is the 4-ounce kitchen essential can. Comes with the Masterpiece chicken recipe on the bottom. Here's our chicken. Break the seal. Here's our mustard. We're going to use a whole grain today. Change it up, different mustards. 2 tablespoons. Don't be afraid. Now, mix it around real good. Add your olive oil. Now add the seasoning. A couple tablespoons. And scoop it. 1, 2. It looks like a lot, doesn't it? It's not salty. It's not hot. The herbs and seasoning in here balloon out. Just grab a piece like this. Grab the side, do the same thing. And just work it out. Make sure it's evenly. Make a paste. Use your hand if you want. Isn't that wonderful? Okay. Now once you've got the seasoning rubbed into the chicken, you just lay it. If you look, the smooth side of the chicken is the skin. We want the skin side up. Just lay it on your sheet pan. I like to use parchment paper. I don't like to have to scrub my pans at the end. And then whatever's left over, do a quick wipe like that. Place in the oven for 400, 12 to 15 minutes. And this is the baked Masterpiece chicken, original recipe. So clean, so simple. Now this is the Masterpiece chicken broiled. Cast iron skillet, a little extra olive oil. Seer for a minute to 2. Turn over. So here's your broiled Masterpiece chicken. High sear. Turn. Put in the broiler. 8 to 10 minutes. And if you ever have leftovers and reheat it, what's the biggest problem chicken is? It's too dry. This will be so tender. Enjoy. There you go. Individual planks. Beautiful, huh? Absolutely. And the Masterpiece chicken on its individual planks for dinner.